No, sir.
Here on the board, you are observing two questions. So, what is the first question?
Draw a label diagram of nephron.
Yes, draw well-labeled diagram of nephron. Nephron are uriniferous tubule. Second question, write a short note on nephron or uriniferous tubule. And this information is the page number 83 in new textbook, biology textbook, class 10. Now I am drawing rough diagram on the interactive flat panel. I am drawing what diagram? Rough diagram. So here nephron. How? What is the shape of kidney? Shape figure?
Bean shape.
Shape of kidney is bean shape. And what is the length of kidney? Shape figure.
10 centimeters.
And what is the breadth of the kidney?
5.6.
And what is the thickness of kidney?
4 centimeters.
And in kidneys what are present? Nephrons are present. How many nephrons are present? 1.3 to 1.8 billion nephrons are present in each kidney. And what is the color of kidney? Shape figure. What is the shape of kidney? What is the color of kidney? What is the length of kidney? What is the breadth of kidney? What is the thickness of kidney? Excellent. Now I am telling what? Nephron. I am drawing rough diagram. Nephron. Nephron is like this. Nephron is like this. This is rough diagram of nephron. This is called nephron. N E P H R O N or uriniferous tubule. Uriniferous tubule. This is the structure of nephron. So what is there on the board? Say bigger, nephron. And what is the other name of nephron? Open your mouth bigger. So nephron consists of mainly three parts. Manasa, three parts. And this is the first part. And this is the second part. Actually, this is the first part. So this is the first part, and this is the second part, and this is the third part. First part, number 1, second, third. So how many parts are there in nephron? 3 parts are there. Many 3 parts are there. And this part, this is called, this is a what? U-shaped. This is what? Bowman's capsule. A cup-like structure is present. This is called cup-like structure is present. This is called Bowman's capsule. This is called what? Bowman's capsule. And Bowman capsule is extended as number one is called PCT. Number 2 is called loop, loop of Henle, H-E-N, spelling L-E-Y. Loop of, what is the, come on say, loop of Henle, diagram, loop of Henle, H-E-N, 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 L-E, loop of Henle. And third part is called DCT. And DCT open into, this is called collecting tubule. Collecting tubule. Okay, now I am telling. And this part is called what? Bowman's capsule. So here blood is filter. Nephron lo mana blood filter aidi. Blood lo ఏముంటాయి nitrogenous waste, urea, uric acid, next creatinine, salt అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. అవి మొత్తం పోతాయి బయటికి పోవాలి. అందుకని మనం పాస్ పోస్తే ఎక్కడ కూడా యూరియా వాసన యూరిన్ వస్తుంది. అంతా బ్లడ్ లో ఉంటాయి. అది ఎప్పుడు కూడా క్లీన్ కావాలి. సో హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ renal artery, I told you entry of renal artery into the kidney, and next is of what? Renal vein. Entry of renal artery and next is of renal vein and next is of what? Ureters. Ureters open into urinary bladder. Okay, so here this is the renal artery. The renal artery divides into many small blood capillaries, small tubes, and this is called what? Renal arteriole, or there you see efferent spelling. Come on, say the spelling. Entry of what? What is there? Come on, all of you say, open your mouth. This is called what? Very good. Say bigger. A F E R E and efferent. Come on, say arteriole. And this is the renal arteriole. It carries what? Oxygen blood and also with impurities, that is waste metal. And it carries what? Blood and also waste metal into, this is called what? Bowman's capsule. All these are what? Scientific terms. Bowman's capsule. This is the Bowman capsule. Into the Bowman capsule, it divides into somewhat. It forms as a network. And this network is called glomerulus. Glomerulus. And here, below the glomerulus, it is lined with a single layer of cells, and they are called as squamous spelling. Squamous epithelial cells, or podocytes. All of you underline squamous epithelial cells are podocytes. So here what are present? Pores are present, small pores are present, and cells are present. They are called as podocyte. So when blood is enters here, it forms as a what? Glomerulus. Here in the glomerulus, blood is filtered. Again, this is another what? Blood vessel, small blood vessel. It is having narrow tube. It is having what? Narrow diameter. Diameter of this is called what? Efferent. Efferent arteriole. Children, you pay attention. This is called what? This is called what? Efferent arteriole. ఇది efferent arteriole. ఎక్కడ పోతుంది? బౌమన్స్ క్యాప్సూల్ లో పోతుంది. దీని యొక్క ట్యూబ్ ఉంది. ఈ ట్యూబ్ యొక్క డయామీటర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. దీని యొక్క ట్యూబ్ యొక్క డయామీటర్ ఏంటి? ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, నేరో ఉంటుంది అనమాట. మందంగా ఉంటుంది, ఎక్కువ ఎడల్పడుతుంది. ఇగో ఇంత ఎడల్పడుతుంది. దీని ట్యూబ్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఉందా? దీన్ని ఏమంటాం మనం? దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? దీన్ని ఏమంటాం? దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ efferent arteriole. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ efferent arteriole. చూడండి, దీనికి దానికి తేడా ఏంది? దీని డయామీటర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, దాని డయామీటర్ తక్కువ ఉంది. Diameter of efferent arteriole less when compared to diameter of the efferent arteriole. Thereby pressure is created. అప్పుడు ఏమైంది? ప్రెషర్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ విడ్త్లో ఉన్నటువంటి దాంట్లో ట్యూబ్ ఇక్కడ తక్కువలోంచి పోవాలన్నమాట, స్పీడ్ పోద్ది. అప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ప్రెషర్ ఈజ్ క్రియేటెడ్ and thereby pressure filtration takes place. And here blood is filtered in glomerulus through podocytes. What is the diameter of this efferent arteriole is more, and the diameter of the efferent arteriole is less. Thereby it makes the blood to filter in the glomerulus. So this is called glomerulus. So when afferent arteriole enter into the Bowman's capsule, it forms a network, and that network is called glomerulus. And here blood flows with pressure, thereby blood is filtered, and blood is filtered, and here pores are present, porocyte through porocyte. So here what is there? Blood is filtered, and more water is present, and also waste fluids are present, also some of these glucose, amino acid, fatty acids present, and some minerals also present. But RBC cells are not filtered. RBC cells filter out. Why? Because they are bigger. And bigger one is filter out. And this is called what? Urine or primary urine. Okay. Now I am telling the second part. Sorry, first part of what? Nephron. So how many parts are there in nephron? Come on, tell me. 3 are there. Now I am writing. Answer, you please say how many are there? 3 parts. This is called PCT. This loop is called what? Loop of Henle. And this is called what? DCT. Very good. DCT. Now you are learning. Nephron consists of mainly 3 parts. They are now the T. All of you open your mouth. CT. PCT means proximal. Proxy. XIML. Proximal. Convoluted spelling. Convoluted tubule. PCT means PCT. Proximal convoluted tubule. And second one is come on say loop of. Very good. Henle. Spelling Henle. And third part is DCT. DCT means distal spelling. DISCA. Distal convoluted. Tubule. Very good. Now you are understood well. So nephron consists of how many main parts? Say it again. What is the first part? ECT. Second part is loop of Henle. Third part is DCT. PCT full form proximal convoluted tubule. Open your mouth. And second is DCT. Second is loop of Henle. And third is DCT. DCT means distal convoluted tubule. So 3 parts are there. And what is the first part? DCT. Full form proximal convoluted tubule. Second part loop of Henle. Third part yes, distal convoluted tubule. And this distal convoluted open into what? Collecting tubule. This is called collecting tubule. And this collecting tubule they carry what? Urine. And all these tubules they open to pyramid to calcium to pelvis to ureter to ureter bladder. Like that, ureter bladder is useful to store urine, and from there urine pass through urethra. Tomorrow I will tell you. So passage of urine and our remaining process. Okay. Today we discuss what concept? Please tell me. Today we discuss what? Draw well labeled diagram of what? Nephron. So here you see, and this is the efferent arteriole, and this efferent arteriole and this is the efferent arteriole. It forms a network. I am writing. So this is the PCT, and this is the loop of Henle, and this is the DCT. This is DC. RFS say bigger, and this is BCT. This one is PCT, and this one is DCT, and this is loop of Henle. And this is the efferent arteriole, and this efferent arteriole they form a network around the tubule. దీని చుట్టూ ఏమైందంటే ఒక నెట్వర్క్ ఏర్పడదన్నమాట. And this network is called as peritubular network. దీనికి ఏ పేరు పెట్టండి మనం? Peritubular network. This is called peritubular network. Efferent arteriole they form a network around the renal tubule, that is called peritubular network. And finally, it also joins with what? Venule to vein, and vein carries what? This deoxygenated bed with what? Without waste material. So finally, this is being carried this blood to the what? Heart. This is what? Peritubular network. Okay. Now I am asking few questions. So what is the diagram there on the interactive flat panel? Say bigger. What is the other name for nephron? Uriniferous tubule. Then you go below the uriniferous tubule. And what is the shape of kidney? Kidney. And what is the color of kidney? Where are kidneys present? In the abdomen, attached with dorsal body wall and another side of vertebral column. How many kidneys are there? 2. What is the length of kidney? What is the breadth of kidney? 5.6. What is the thickness of kidney? 4 centimeters. Okay. Again you see, in each kidney consists of how many nephrons? 1.3 to 1.8 million nephrons. And you take. Name the main parts of nephron. Say bigger. PCD. Say bigger, all of you. PCD, loop of Henle, and DCT. PCD full form? Proximal. Say bigger. Proximal convoluted tubule. Second part? Loop of Henle. Third part? DCT. Distal convoluted tubule. Open to collective tubule. Okay, children. And this is how we learn what we already draw this diagram. This is the what? Structure of nephron. And also today we discuss what? Structure of nephron. And also I told you. So there you see right here brief note on nephron. You need to write all these the parts with sentences. Nephrons are present in kidney, and 1.3 to 1.8 million nephrons are present. And nephron consists of what? 3 main parts. They are PCT, DCT, and loop of Henle. PCT means proximal convoluted tubule. Loop of Henle. DCT means distal convoluted tubule. They over to collective tubule. And different arteries they form one network around the renal tubule. That is called peritubular network. Thank you, children.